Saying number 37. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." Once Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, was proceeding towards Syria when the countrymen of Al-Anbar met him. Seeing him, they began to walk on foot and then ran in front of him. He inquired why they were doing so, and they replied that this was the way they respected their chiefs. Then he said, "By Allah, this does not benefit your chiefs. You are belaboring yourself in this world, and earning misery for the next world by it. How harmful is the labor in whose wake there is punishment, and how profitable is the case with which there is deliverance from the fire of hell."